Welcome back to Chill Technology. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation as we unveil the top 7 gadgets that will blow your mind. From cutting-edge smart devices to futuristic gizmos, this list has it all. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe so you never miss out on the latest tech trends. With the Pivo Pod Lite 360 auto tracking, you can move and improve without limitations. Capture more dynamic recordings with no missed shots or choppy footage. Make your cyclist experience better with the Garmin Edge 840. With GPS navigation, performance metrics, and smart connectivity, it's your ride companion. Track your stats, set training goals, and stay safe with incident detection. Take a look at this cool kit with 6 different gadgets. With this product, you won't have to worry about finding the right tool for your car's daily maintenance. It combines car washing, tire pumping, vacuuming, mobile phone charging, and torch functions in one unit, so you don't have to worry about a messy boot anymore. Based on this power module, you can enjoy comfort while camping, traveling, or at home. YouDao Dictionary Pen. 3 Global version is a smart scanning pen for language learning and dyslexia. Multiple dictionaries and language learning features included. Great for Chinese, Spanish, and English learning. Scan a sentence or word and the pen will provide its translation along with audio, example sentences, and accurate definitions. The pen is portable, light, wireless, and can work offline. The pen also works as an exam reader, helping those with reading difficulties such as dyslexia. The world's most powerful spring-loaded emergency window breaker. Its patent-pending direct impact technology delivers a powerful strike directly to a tungsten carbide tip, allowing the vehicle occupant to easily break car windows for emergency escape. In case of an emergency, press the bullet tip against the car side window. The spring-loaded internal striker will release and hammer the ultra-hard carbide tip with a powerful force and shatter tempered glass. And for the last gadget today, we have the Inmo Glasses. The world's lightest fashion-forward smart AR glasses weigh only 79 grams. Designed to assist your everyday activities and let you stay fashionable on the go. Inmo Air Glasses is designed to be wireless and functions independently of any other device. This smart glasses display computerized information superimposed over the real world. It's a smart and safe wearable technology equipped with a powerful quad-core processor